how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put a connection or integrate Notion into your workspace or the work management platform, which is going to be Monday.com. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You need to head over Monday.com and then you're going to also connect or sign in for your account on Notion.so. So you need at least here, for example, to have the team space of yours active. As you can see here, we have our project and everything is set up for the specific, let's say, tasks and also the priorities, projects. We have the cat views and etc. As you can notice that Notion is going to be a little bit on the project management is nearly the same as Monday management. We have the views, we have every type of view that we can see here. We can have timeline, calendar, boards, forms, and etc. Just like these. So how we can integrate it? Basically, it is going to be an app that we have on Monday.com that will allow that type of connection. We're going to head over our workspace first, make sure that everything is set up and okay. Then we are going to head over our app market. We can go ahead and head over our app market by heading over Monday Marketplace. Like that, you're going to click on this puzzle piece. I'm going to let you see it. Here we have the puzzle piece. It is going to be called Monday Marketplace. We're going to type in here on these apps. So you can go ahead and head over project management and search for it, or you can go ahead and type in on the search bar only Notion. So we are going to type in Notion and search for it. As you can see, we have here maybe some of the apps that are going to be available and also useful, like these Notion Embed, Notion Embedder. Here we have Resynced and etc. But we have this one. The first one is going to be Notion Embed for Monday.com by DataNexify. So it is going to integrate, or it is going to be considered a Notion integration and added Notion pages directly into your board. So you're going to have here the pages that you have from here to the specific, let's say here, board right there. So we are going to install it, and here we have it. Now we're going to install the app. It has a free plan available. We're going to install it just in here. So we are going to have it right there. And we are going to select, for example, or install the Notion embed for a space. Maybe you are going to select it for all the workspaces, or you can go ahead and choose one only workspace. I'm going to have it in here. So this app does not require any permission. So this is going to be set up. You're going only to connect your account and wait for it. This is the integration. So as you can see here, we have the Notion. So this is the board. So what board do we have here? We have the test, I think. So I'm going only to add the app. We're going to wait for it, and here this is the Notion embedded. So we're going to see the app. So you can see here or have the embed guide. So you can go ahead and take a tour for the specific publisher of this specific guide, and you're going to have it just right there. So you can go ahead and put or click on the video, play it. It is not going to be a here a tall video. You are going only to have the to publish the specific Notion, as you can see, site of yours, and then you are going to have the link of that specific project. After that, you're going to have the things added. So you need only to copy, as you can see on the video. So basically, I'm going to facilitate the task in here, and we're going to head over Notion. So everything normally is here. We are going to have the Notion, let's say, published version in here. So this is it. I'm going to copy and add, for example, this is the task manager or the task tracker. I want to integrate or embed this into our Monday.com project. How we can do that? So basically, I'm going to let you start by here at the beginning. Let's say that you have already installed the Notion and you're going to be wondering what it is. it is going to be a view. So you're going to head over the board or the dashboard of yours. Basically, it is going to be integrated into the boards, not the dashboards, but into the project in the general. So we are going to head over the views. You normally are going to find a Notion embed. In case you do not find it, click on the apps and you're going to find the Notion embed in here. So we are going to click on it. Then we are going to click on settings and you're going to see the customization of the view. Here we are going to face up the Notion embed URL. So we are going to type in or paste our Notion and wait for the view to set up. So this is going to be something that we are going to need to revise from our perspective. Normally, you are going to have this one is normally the view. So we are going to share it. So I'm going to copy the link and see if it is going to be the same. So this is the link. We're going to paste the link and wait for it. So here we continue to have the specific, as you can see, project or the task as it is, as you can see in here. So we are going to have the project. I'm going to have everything set up. Normally our project is going to be published, so you need no worries about that. As I can notice that we have the team spaces that we can basically not have them, let's say, published or have in here. So, or integrated, we can go ahead and head over the private, as you can see here, projects or the pages that we have. Basically, it is apparently going to be only a page for Notion. So I can go ahead and have the pages, or I can add, for example, database. So I'm going to have here the tracker. So I'm going to click on done. This is our new tracker, or as you can see, this is the new project. So what I am going to do is to click on share, and then we are going to click on publish and publish to web. So we are going to publish this to the web. So we are going to have this. We're going to visit the site. So this is going to be the thing in here. We're going to have this one like that. And this is not going to be the case. So it is going to be something like this. And we're going to try it. And boom. As you can see, the page has been integrated. Now you can go ahead and track or see the page and also navigate through it, and you can go ahead and scroll and see all the tasks that has been added, the pages that has been showing up here and there, and boom. So that was pretty much it for this. As you can see here, embed for the task. Basically, you cannot do much. You can also split the display in here, so you can have your project in here or the specific project of yours in here, and also you can add yours from there. So I think that it is going to be a little bit here not very well made, but it is going to be okay. So the most important part here is to have Notion not opened into a window but integrated within Monday. So it is going to be only a one platform button or something like that. The view is going to be good. The quality is everything. You can also access, for example, the task itself and read the specific let's say here details about it. Now for embedding, as you can see here, the URL, you can only add or embed only one URL once. So it is going to give you here a free trial, as you can see on your Notion embed for Monday trial. And when the Monday is a trial, of course, is going to end, it is going to be the case for the Notion app, because it is going to be free only for the plan that has been given within the Monday platform. You can go ahead and integrate maybe other apps that will help you maybe set up the things in here. You need to head over the marketplace, also type in only Notion and see if you are going to choose something else. Here we have the data Nexify. We can have this, for example, by Manisha Ghosh, for example. This is the one. So we are going to have the dashboard. Maybe this is better than that. I don't know. Here you can use your app in, for example, like this. It's going to be something good. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.